Good morning, y'all. Today is Saturday. This is the start of a new vlog. The girl's on her way to the gym. These past few days have been rough because your girl had no power for like 2-3 days. So yeah, I was able to still take like a warm shower, so it wasn't like too bad. But yeah, we had like a big windstorm and it knocked out our power for a couple days, but we're back. Yeah, but anyways, we're on our way to the gym. I like missed a day of the gym because I didn't want to like sweat and then like need to take a hot shower, and I could only take a warm shower, and then I was just already annoyed, so I just sat home. So we've only worked out 5 days this week, which is okay. It's still good, but just went to the gym and now we're at Target. I gotta get some like hygiene stuff, deodorant, lotion, all that jazz. So let's go in there, and then I think I want to go to the store and make some chili. I made some chili like a couple weeks ago and it was good, and I'm low-key craving it, and it's just like that type of vibe today. Next week is Thanksgiving, so yeah, I'm excited to eat. I'm excited to spend time with my family. I tried this new eye cream. It's like the eye cream by Belief, and y'all, look at this. It literally burnt my skin. You see this one, and you see this one. I don't know why it didn't happen on both eyes. Thankfully it didn't, but yeah. So I immediately took it back and got my money back, because absolutely not. It's happened to me before, but like I thought Belief was a safe product, and I guess not. So yeah, anyways, we're about to head in. I need to put my hat fully on and get in here. So let me show you guys things I got so far. I got this is like a yogurt but in a drink form. My coworker let me try one of these, and they're actually really good if you're looking to have high protein. Strawberries, of course, yogurt, got some milk. Then I also got this book. I'm gonna bite the bullet and just buy it. It's cheaper here than on Amazon, so hopefully it's good. It has like 4.8 on Amazon and a lot of reviews, so hopefully it gets me intrigued to read. Then for hygiene, my gentle cleanser, favorite lotion, and some deodorant. What's up, y'all? So today is Friday, but yeah, y'all, hopefully I finish my projects at a decent time, because I'm trying to leave work by a decent time. Usually like I try to leave Fridays at a good time, but your girl's been so busy with work that I haven't been able to do that. But I'm so glad it's like we're passing the beginning of the month, because usually the beginning of the month is like the busiest for me, because I have like projects that are due, and yeah, anyways, but yeah, we're on our way to work. Also wanted to show you guys that I got my protein. This is 30 grams of protein. It literally tastes like chocolate milk. It's the protein premium. I haven't tried any other flavors, but I definitely recommend this flavor. And yeah, we hit legs and like a little bit of glutes. So yeah, anyways, catch y'all at work. It's What's up, y'all? Today is Monday. About to hit happy hour with my friend. But y'all, I have not been vlogging like I want to, so let me take you through my weekend. So Friday night, I just went to Target, got me a few things. Nothing major there. And then Saturday, I got my new TV mounted. I had bought me a TV on Black Friday. And yeah, I just feel like that just brought my room up a notch. So honestly, I've just been enjoying my room because it just kind of feels new. I kind of like rearranged some things, and yeah. Then Saturday night, I went to my company holiday party, which was so fun. I'm gonna go ahead and insert photos or videos right here. But yeah, I was at T-Mobile Park where like the Mariners play, and they just had it like decked out with a bunch of lights. Sunday, I was just like honestly enjoying my room and my TV and being lazy. I was binge watching the show called Prison Break. My sister put me onto it, and it's been good, but I'm low-key kind of getting tired of it. But don't really have anything to watch because Law and Order and Chicago PD haven't been dropping new episodes, so yeah, and that's really the only other TV shows I watch. So yeah, if you have any recommendations, please leave them down below because I think I'm gonna take a break from Prison Break. So yeah, anyways, yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and catch y'all once we go into the restaurant. Also, I forgot to mention, which I didn't vlog then, I went to a Friendsgiving last weekend. My friend Jacob was hosting it, and she did a fabulous job, and the food was great. They were a little bit late, but I really enjoyed myself, and I feel like she put on a really good event, and I'm glad that she invited me. So I'm gonna go ahead and insert like the vibes right here. Mac and cheese is getting done. 20 more minutes. So what do you have to do for the food?
You two sound the same. He's always like, you know, we need to bring band-aids because you hurt yourself. I'm so clumsy. I really am.
And after you gave me that devastating news, though, I'm not too happy. Yeah.
I know.
I guess I'm gonna be bald in about 2 years.
But yeah, y'all, I haven't really been vlogging like that. Which is not good. I need to get back into vlogging. So yeah. Anyways, I'm gonna call my friend to see where she's at so we can go outside. Oh no, you're fine. I don't have you in here yet. Thank you. What's up, y'all? So today is Friday. I feel like I always vlog on Fridays. So I'm currently at Walmart. It is like 11 o'clock. I just like stepped away from my office, and I bought 3 gingerbread houses because at work we're going to be doing gingerbread contests, and it's kind of for social media. But it's going to be like more office chronicle content. I try to do like content with office people and then people that don't work in the office. But anyway, yeah, so we're here to get the gingerbread houses, and then I also need like extra candy in case like people want to like decorate and spice up their stuff. So yeah, this is like the fun part about my job is like coordinating different things. I've been like giving gift cards out at work, like if they do these contests I'm trying to get people to do. So yeah, that's the fun part of my job. But yeah, I'm gonna go get these gingerbread houses. I already bought them. I just need to go in and get them. All right, y'all, so I was literally running around Walmart, and this is like the most ghetto Walmart. So I go in, and I was asking this lady, I said, oh, where do I go to pick up online stuff that I bought online? And she's like, oh yeah, go to the back of the store. So I go to the back of the store, and I don't see any type of sign for online pickup. And I see this lady, and I was like, hey, like, do you know where I go to for online pickup? She's like, oh yeah, you want to go out of the store and go all the way around the building, and it's in the back of the store. I said, oh, so I should probably get in my car and drive back there. She was like, yeah. And so I wish the other lady would have told me that. But anyways, this is how the gingerbread house looks like. And it smells like chocolate. I got 3 of them, so I'm gonna have 3 of my coworkers do the contest. And then I just got a bunch of candy, M&Ms, Skittles, lemon heads, and like some peanut butter M&Ms. They didn't have the regular M&Ms in checkout, which is kind of odd, but whatever. So yeah, I'm excited. I'm gonna show you guys like the finished product once they like design their houses. No. Alright, y'all, so I'm back at home and wanted to show you guys the cookies I got. So this is cookies and cream, brown butter, chocolate chips, s'mores, red velvet. I think the best ones are the original one, chocolate chip, and the s'mores one. What's up, y'all? So today is Saturday. See what I have on the agenda. So we're about to hit the gym, and then I need to go to PetSmart. At my job, we're partnering with a animal shelter for the holidays, so giving back to the animals in need. And my boss was like, go to PetSmart and spend like $100 and use your company card. And I'm like, okay, bet. I'm gonna go do that, and then I need to go to Staples to do a Gymshark return. I ended up buying some things off of Gymshark for Black Friday, but I don't know, Gymshark, their leggings are just not my type of vibe. Maybe I just got them too big. I got a large and maybe I should have got a medium, but like I didn't want them to be super tight. Well, I wanted them to be tight, but I didn't want them to be uncomfortably tight. I don't know, like the crotch area just looks like very weird, and it like kind of looks like I have like a wedgie in my crotch, and I'm like, no, I don't get down like that. Who knows, maybe eventually I will try them again. And then I also got the everyday leggings, which is like something you wear every day, but I don't know, they're just not, those ones weren't worth the price, and I feel like you could get better quality leggings on Amazon for cheaper. So I don't know, maybe I'll try them again soon, but and then I bought from this other athleisure wear brand. I didn't realize they were in the I think they're in the UK, so of course my order is going to take forever to get here. Kind of not happy about that. I ordered it on Black Friday or Cyber Monday, and that was almost 2 weeks ago. So, and it looks like they haven't moved, and it's coming from DHL, and I feel like that is the worst shipping company ever. So I don't know, we're just gonna have to wait. Maybe I'll probably get it by next year, I don't know. That's on the agenda for today. And then I need to go to Target too to like get some more, just a few things that I always get from Target. So, and then also of course we're starting off our day with ginger shots. I'm gonna get some balls because every dog likes balls. I think I'm gonna get 2. Thinking of these treats because they're only $12.99, and I'm trying to make my money go a long way, so I'm trying to get like cheap stuff. This one's $12.99 too. It's a hard no for me, but they're cute in some way. Hold on, what kind of animals are these? This thing's just staring at me. What's up, y'all? So today is Sunday. Before I go ending this vlog, I want to show you guys the things I've been getting at Sephora. Also, this is my new TV. She is 65 inches, which is pretty sizable for my room, because I have like the bonus room in the house. So I have like the biggest room in the house. I don't have a closet, but I use like the closet in the room next to me. So anyways, let me show you guys what I got from Sephora. I got my sister's gifts from Sephora. I'm excited to give that to them on Christmas. But I also, of course, had to get some stuff for myself because they were having a 20% off sale. So I got the Olaplex Bond Maintenance Shampoo. I've heard good things about this. I'm actually going to use it when I go wash my hair. As you see, my hair looks crazy right now. We're going to use this in a minute. And then I got the EMS Dynamic Surfacing Facial Pads. I've heard good things about this too. I only got like the mini size because I want to see what it's giving first before I go buying the full size. And then I also got more lip gloss, which I think after getting these two, I have about 4 of these things. One in my car, one in my purse, one in my office. And so yeah, I'm gonna just keep these for when I run out. But I got like the 2-for-1 deal. This is topicals. This is how the lip gloss looks like. This is like the best lip gloss in the game. It is a little more pricier. I think I got this for like, oh yeah, I got it for $26, but for 20% off, I got it for $24. I can't tell you how much one of them costs. I don't know, but this is some good lip gloss. And it's like that minty feeling, so I don't know, it's good. Then it's funny, I have 2 Sephora accounts with 2 different emails. One, I'm a Rouge member, the other one I'm like the bottom tier one. Either way, you can use the 20% off. So online I used my Rouge member account because that's the one I usually use, and then in store I was like, can you use the first account because I want to use my other 20% off. And she's like, okay, okay, bet. So anyways, also got some stuff in store. So I got more of this Paula Choice C15 Super Booster. This is what's been helping me with my dark spots. I won't give a full review on it. It is good. I feel like it's working, but I don't know. This is my 2nd bottle, and after my 2nd bottle, if it's making me feel like I need to buy a 3rd bottle, then we're locked in. But I don't know. We'll see. And then I was talking to one of the ladies in the store, and she's like, oh, do you use retinol, da da da, whatever. And she's like, you should use it. It'll help get rid of your dark spots faster. So she recommended the one from Inky List, which this one was pretty cheap. I think it was between $8 to $12. And then I got this Fenty bronzer, trying to get into bronzer. I don't know if this is my color, so we're gonna have to see. If not, we're gonna be returning this. And then I also got another bronzer from Sephora. This was 30% off because all of Sephora stuff is 30% off. So we're gonna see which one's better. I might just keep this one because it was $18, and I got it for $15 because it's 30% off. So I'll probably keep this one. But we're gonna see what this one is giving because this one was like $30. All right, y'all, that's pretty much the end of my haul. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. I will get better at vlogging. I don't know, I really don't have an excuse, but I am gonna start being more consistent. But yeah, hopefully you guys enjoy. Let me know what you guys be getting at Sephora because I'm always down to try new products. Kinda, we'll see. After that whole Belief eye cream, we're gonna be taking a break from eye cream. But yeah, hopefully you guys enjoy. Don't forget to like, comment, and hit that subscribe button, and I'll catch you guys in my next video. Bye.